How to fix Valorant. Please restart your client. Problem isn't quick. If you want to fix this problem, first type here update and now install the last update here and go back, restart your PC, and after restarting your PC type here task manager and then scroll down until you find Valorant icon. Wait, Vanguard icon. Here's it. Now just right click on it and then click in task, and that's it. Now go to services, scroll down until you find here VGC. Here's it. Now click properties, select automatic and click start, then just wait and apply and OK, and that's it. Now restart your PC. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.